My name Carl. What's up, True Skittle Gang? You know, I told y'all yesterday today would be a exciting video, but y'all picture looks down because there's gonna be no video today. Literally because I had the opportunity to go with my dad to pick up my grandma. But guess what? I did not. I did not. It could have been an exciting video. Would y'all come with me for me to go pick up my grandma? But guess what? I did not go. Guys, look what I have on right now. I was literally ready to go. But guess what? Then I told my dad I didn't want to go. Cause look, I was looking for y'all. Yeah, technically I was looking for my phone, but I was looking for my phone. Dude, it was literally under the bed. Under my sister's bed. Under my sister's bunk. Literally under my sister's bunk. It was under the bed. Literally, it was under the dang bed. And guess what? I literally just found it and started recording.